Good morning, dear students. Now I am going to take exercise 2.1 remaining problems. In a magic square, the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column, and along the diagonals is the same. Is this a magic square? See, in the question already given, this is the magic square or not. We have to find out here. Here, along the first row is 4 by 11 plus 9 by 11 plus 9 by 11 is equal to 15 by 11. See, dear friends, solution. So, row already given here. See, taking row. Taking rows. See, first one, 4 by 11 plus 9 by 11 plus 2 by 11 is 11. We have to add here 4, 9 plus 2. When we are adding, we are getting here 15 by 11. Okay, second row I am taking here. This is the first row. I am taking the second row. Taking here second row. This row I am taking here 3 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 7 by 11. Now see here, when we taking LCM, here also we are getting here LCM is 11. When we add 3 plus 5 plus 7, here we are getting again here 15 by 11. Okay, next third row I am taking here. Third row. See, this is the first row, this is the third row. Okay, third row also here 8 by 11 plus 1 by 11 plus 5 by 11. LCM is 11. When we add 8 plus 1 plus 4, answer is 15 by 11. This is the solution. Okay. Next, I am taking here columns. These are the columns. These are the columns I am taking here. See columns. Taking columns. Columns. This one column, and this. We have 3 columns here. We have to see. We have to check here. First column is 4 by 11 plus 3 by 11 plus and 8 by 11. Now when we add, see, LCM is 11. When we add 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8, 15 by 11. Next second row, second column. Next second column we have here 9 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 1 by 11. Here also LCM is 11. Okay. LCM is 11. When we add 9 plus 5 plus 1, answer is 15 by 11. Next I am taking a third column here. Third column 2 by 11 plus 7 by 11 plus 6 by 11. Dear friend, here also we have LCM is 11. When we add 2 plus 7 plus 6, we are getting here 15 by 11. These are the columns. Next we have to take here these diagonals. We have to take here this one. This is the left to right diagonal, right to left diagonal. We have to take diagonals. Taking diagonals. Taking here left to right diagonal. See, first one 4 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 6 by 11. See, dear friend, I am taking here this diagonal. When we solving this diagonal, where we know LCM is 11. When we are in 4 plus 5 plus 6, we are getting here 15 by 11. Okay, next problem. See here. Next diagonal, right to left. Diagonal second, right to left. 2 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 8 by 11. Okay, solution. See, When here also we have LCM is 11 when we add 2 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 15 by 11. This is the solution. Dear student, we got in the row also same answer and in columns also same answer, in diagonals also same answer. This is the 15 by 11. You write down statement. This is the magic square box.
Dear student, next I am taking here fourth one problem. See, fourth one problem. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 whole 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 whole 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Dear student, see, in this question we have to find out here rectangular perimeter. See, solution. The sheet paper the sheet of paper is in rectangular form. Okay. Length of the sheet is equal to 12 whole 1 by 2 centimeter and breadth of sheet is equal to 10 whole 2 by 3. 10 whole 2 by 3 centimeter. Now we want to find out here perimeter of rectangle. We want to find out here perimeter of rectangle. We know the formula to find out perimeter of rectangle. That is the formula 2 into L plus B. Okay, by using this formula, we have to find out here perimeter of rectangular sheet of paper. Okay, now see here 2. What is the length here? Length is 12 whole 1 by 2 plus breadth is 10 whole 2 by 3 centimeter. Next, first we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, see here 12 into 2 is 24 plus 1 25 by 2. Here 10 into 3 is 30 plus 2 32 by 3. We have to find out here LCM 2. For LCM 2 into 3 is 6 is the LCM. Okay, when we dividing by 2, 2 3 is in the bracket 25 plus 3 2s are in the bracket 32. Next, see here 2 25 into 3 is 75 plus 32 2s are 64 by 6. Okay, 2 into, when we adding 75 plus 64, we are getting here 139 by 6. See, 2 1s are 2 3s are, remaining is 139 by 3. When we converting this improper fraction as a mixed fraction, you getting here, see, 3 4s are 12, remaining 1 9 3 6 are 18, remaining is 1. Now mixed fraction is, see, final 46 whole 1 by 3. Does the perimeter of the rectangle sheet is 46 whole 1 by.
When we convert the improper fraction as a mixed fraction, we are getting here 46 over 1 by 3 centimeter. This is the perimeter of a rectangle sheet. Now I am taking the fifth one problem here. Find the perimeter of triangle ABE, the rectangle BCDE, In this figure, whose perimeter is greater? We have here one is the triangle, this part, this is the rectangle part. We have to find out here perimeter of the triangle and perimeter of the rectangle. After that, we have to compare here which is the greater perimeter. In this figure, I am taking here first one triangle ABE. See here, solution. In triangle ABE, AB is equal 5 by 2 centimeter and BE is equal 2 whole 3 by 4 centimeter and A. See in this figure, this is the triangle. In triangle ABE, AB is equal 5 by 2 centimeter, B is equal 2 by 4 centimeter, AE is equal 3 whole 3 by 5 centimeter. The perimeter of triangle. The perimeter triangle, that is AB plus BE plus AE. We know the here AB value is 5 by 2 centimeter, BE value is 2 whole 3 by 4 centimeter and AE value is 3 whole 3 by 5 centimeter. Dear student, here we have three fractions. Here we have two mixed fraction. We have to convert as a improper fraction. So see here 5 by 2. When we convert it, 4 2s are 8 plus 3, that is the 11 by 4 plus 5 3s are 15 plus 3, that is the 18 by 5. When we taking LCM for this, we are getting here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and remaining 5. When we multiplying, we are getting here LCM is 20 is the LCM. Now we can write here 20 and after that we have to divide here 2 10s are, okay, 10 into 5 plus 4 5s are 5 into 11 plus 5 4s are 20, 4 into 18. Now when we multiply, we are getting here 10 5s are 50 plus 5 into 11s are 55 plus 4 into 8 72 20. When we adding these 3 77 by 20. Dear friend, we have improper fraction here. We have to convert as a mixed fraction. Then we are getting here mixed fraction is 8 whole. Dear friend, we got here improper fraction. We have to convert this improper fraction as a mixed fraction to convert 67 by 20. When we divide it, we are getting here mixed fraction, that is the 8 whole 17 by 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. Another one time you see here, the perimeter of triangle is AB plus BE plus AE. Triangle AB is equal to 5 by 2 plus 2 whole 3 by 4 plus 3 whole 3 by 5. Dear student, here we have to convert these mixed fraction into improper fraction. When we converting, we are getting here 5. We converting, we are getting here 5 by 2 plus 11 by 4 plus 18 by 5. Dear friend, see when we taking LCM for this 2, 4, 5. See, I will get LCM. When we taking LCM, we are getting here 20 is the LCM. See here 20 is the LCM. When we cancelling by 2, we are getting here 2 10s are. Okay, we have to multiply here 5. Okay, this is after multiplication. We are getting here 50 plus 55 plus 72 by 20. Dear student, when we add in here, we are getting here 177 by 20. This improper fraction we have to convert as a mixed fraction. We converting this improper fraction as a mixed fraction. We are getting here 8 whole 17 by 20 centimeter. Next, another one we have to take here rectangle, that is the BCDE. Okay, I am taking a rectangle. Rectangle BCDE. Okay, next I am taking here. This is the second one. This is the first. We have to find out here rectangle, perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle formula is 2 into L plus B. What is the L is? L is in this rectangle. L is B is the L. That is the B is the L. That is the 2 whole 3 by 4 centimeter, and breadth is BC that is the 7 by 6 centimeter. Now see here, perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle BCDE is equal to into L plus B. Now 2L value is 2 whole 3 by 4 centimeter. B value is 7 by 6 centimeter. Now we have to convert this next fraction as an improper fraction. 4 2s are 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3, that is the 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. Now we have to find out here LCM 4, 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. When we find in LCM, we are getting here LCM. Now we can write here LCM 12. Next, see here, when we divide 4 3s are 12. 3 into 11 plus 6 2s are 12. 2 into 7. When we multiply here, we are getting here. After that, you write this step. Okay. After that, you write this step. When we multiply, we are getting here 11 3s are 33 plus 2 into 7s are 14 by 12. Okay, dear student, when we add in these two, we are getting here 47 by 12. Now I am cancelling here 2 1s are 2 6s are. I am getting here 47 by 6. Dear student, here also we have here improper fraction. We have to convert this as a mixed fraction. When we converting, we have to divide 47 by 6. You divide one side 47 by 6. When we divide in 47 by 6, we are getting here 7 whole 1 by 6 centimeter. Dear student, we have to compare here triangle and rectangle. When we comparing the perimeter of the triangle and that of a rectangle is 8 whole 17 by 20 is greater than 7 whole 5 by 6 centimeter. Therefore, you write down the statement: perimeter of a triangle ABE is greater than that of a rectangle BCDE. And here, student, I completed here total 5 problems in this exercise 2.1. Remaining problems to solve in home. Okay, thank you.